Heard's attorneys have now asked a Virginia court to dismiss the defamation trial verdict and the Pirates of the Caribbean star's entire defamation case against her, claiming that he has no evidence. That's not it, as Elaine also filed for the fake juror motion, but it appears she is doing all this to dry Amber Heard's accounts. She's just turning on Amber Heard with such claims that hold no significance. Does Elaine want to destroy Amber Heard financially? What do fans think Elaine is doing? Keep watching to know more. According to reports, Amber's legal team has stated that there is no evidence to support the $10 million in damages ordered against her by Johnny. According to the Aquaman actress's legal team's brief, Mr. Depp proceeded solely on a defamation by implication theory, abandoning any claims that Ms. Heard's statements were false. As a result, Ms. Heard was unaware of the headline of her 2018 article and did not become aware of it until Mr. Depp filed the lawsuit. How did Johnny Depp's legal team respond to Amber Heard's team? Ben Chew, Johnny Depp's lawyer, simply stated, "It's what we expected, just longer, no more substantive, terse, to the point, and amusing." Moreover, Elaine also let Amber file a motion for a fake juror, saying one of the jurors in Johnny Depp's blockbuster case against Amber Heard was never called for jury duty and was incorrectly seated in the trial, according to court records. Juror number 15 was not the individual summoned for jury duty on April 11, 2022, and thus was not part of the jury panel and could not have properly served on the jury at this trial, Elaine Bredehoft, Heard's lawyer, said. As a result, a mistrial should be declared and a new trial should be ordered. Bredehoft wrote in the filing that the person summoned for jury duty was born in 1945 and would have been 77 years old at the time of the trial. However, according to Bredehoft, the person who was chosen for the jury and served on it was 52 years old. According to the filing, both individuals have the same last name and appear to live at the same address in Fairfax County, Virginia, where the trial was held. However, according to Bredehoft, the wrong person showed up for jury duty. As the court no doubt agrees, it is deeply troubling for an individual who has not been summoned for jury duty to appear for jury duty and serve on a jury, especially in a case like this, Bredehoft argued. This was a high-profile case in which the fact and date of the jury trial were widely publicized both before and after the jurors' summonses were issued. With this motion filed by Amber Heard, it is depicted that Elaine is just letting Heard spend more money and wants to destroy her financially. This let the fans criticize Elaine for her motive and actions, with one of the fans saying, "Good God, this last motion filed by Elaine about the wrong juror showing up for jury duty? She is simply milking the Amber cow. It is no teats left, but she continues to pump." Another also wrote criticizing Elaine that she must be considering it as a retirement fund. One more user hilariously replied saying, "What kind of fund? Amber lacks financial resources. Even the insurance company is attempting to avoid paying anything. Her lawyers were supposed to receive $6 million for the trial. If there was a mistrial and a new trial, another $6 million would be awarded. Amber can always make a pledge to them." Another user stated that, "Unless you're the Jets, you don't run up the middle when you're 4 and a goal from your goal line." One fan says, "Legit, a competent judge would have allowed this to happen and declared it a mistrial. I suspect that because we're working with Ascrit, he won't deal with it, and it'll be added to the mountain of errors at appeal." One more user sarcastically wrote that, "What if they called the juror in and the juror said, 'No, I'm the one in their 70s'? Another user stated that, "Let's hope she earns a lot of money from all of this. That is, if Heard could pay." One says, "Of course she is, because this cow produces a lot of milk." Another user asked, "Where does the ethical line blur in this case?" Elaine abruptly revealed to the public that Amber cannot afford to pay the $10.35 million. During the trial, Heard stated that the legal fees totaled $6 million. A new trial? Is that good for Heard's mental health, financial situation, and future? A user replied that the $6 million was paid by her house insurance, but the insurance company may have avoided paying because AH malice was proven. Yet another user further stated that it's a simple mistake to have a father and son with the same name and address. Elaine refers to the Virginia statute, which does not assist her because it states any mistakes are not grounds for mistrial. Also, her lawyers were aware of the error and saw that he was younger, but they did not bring it up during duty selection. Another stated, "Let girl get her coin and lose her reputation as long as the Heard pays her." One more user says, "She's not going to get any new clients after such a scammer failure, so she's throwing everything at the wall and seeing what sticks. I almost feel sorry for them. They should look to Johnny's team for inspiration. Absolute elegance. What do you think of Elaine's motive to milk Amber's accounts dry? Let us know in the comments. Make sure to subscribe for more.